Hi guys! In previous videos, I showed you how to create and set up multiple Twitter accounts on the same computer without getting suspended. After successfully setting up your accounts, the next step is to warm them up to engage in various activities on Twitter. The method depends on each individual's techniques and tricks. If you're managing with just a few accounts, it's relatively easy to manage them manually to ensure their safety without too much effort. However, if you're dealing with a large number of accounts, such as dozens, hundreds, or even thousands, manual management can be extremely labor-intensive. This is why many people opt for automation as the preferred solution. Currently, I've observed that there are two popular methods for automating Twitter account management: using a virtual private server, VPS, or utilizing an antidetect browser with automation features. Each of these approaches has its own advantages and disadvantages. However, it's important to note that renting a VPS and acquiring automation tools can be quite costly. Cheap VPS options may not be secure and can lead to account hacking. Additionally, running a VPS requires a powerful machine, which may not be feasible for those using a regular laptop. Due to these drawbacks, many individuals have switched to using anti-detect browsers with automation features. The most significant advantage of anti-detect browsers is that they require less storage space compared to VPS solutions. However, not all anti-detect browsers are cheaper than VPS. For example, Multi-Login, a popular anti-detect browser, starts at over per month. If you're looking for an anti-detect that is cost-effective and offers good quality while also providing automation feature, you can consider Hidemyacc. Those who follow my channel may have noticed that I've used Hidemyacc for various activities. Hidemyacc recently introduced automation features, including scripts for Twitter. Although the script options for Twitter are currently limited and primarily focused on e-commerce platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon, it offers a simple and user-friendly interface for creating scripts. To use the automation scripts, you can either duplicate existing ones or edit them directly, and then save your changes. For login automation, you only need to change the username and password, keeping the rest of the commands the same. Simply select the type command, change the text in the order of username and then password, following the same sequence as when you log into Twitter. Once you've made these changes, click on Save. This is the Twitter account I have created using MailTM. I'm now going to log out of it. Now, let's go back to Hidemyacc automation. Click on Run and select the profile we just mentioned to execute the script. This login script is designed for a single profile only. It's not possible to log into the same account on multiple devices simultaneously, right? These accounts were recently created, so I will run automation on the profile that has previously logged into the account for the safest. Let's take a look at how this automation script runs. I find that this automation script can emulate the mouse cursor and perform actions quite similarly to a real user. First, it enters the username, then the password, and the account is successfully logged in. The commands in Hidemyacc automation are easy to understand. The crucial part is how you combine them to create an effective automation script. I will research more about creating automation scripts here and create a few scripts that run on Twitter to see how it works. This is a pretty good and quality anti-detect browser combined with automation that you can refer to use. Hope you have a new option to successfully warm up your accounts. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next videos.